Hey guys, so quick airdrop alpha and how you can find valuable crypto projects without just trusting some YouTuber or some people, or some guy on Twitter. You basically go on the cryptorank.io and here you will see the recent crypto investments and fundraising rounds. And it's easy. You basically see which date and how much they raised on the fundraising rounds. For example, here you can see many even airdrop protocols like Carve. I mean, not protocols, but projects that will drop airdrop. For example, Carve. There was this layer 3 that recently raised $15 million. This is just basically a really great website where you can see the latest fundraisings of these crypto projects, and you can do your own research on all of these projects, and if they are raising money, this means that they are quite legit projects. Here you can see the investors. For example, you can click here, you can see how many they raised and what types of investment funds did the raising, and you can do your research on the legit projects or legit basically funds. I'm basically using this website every day. You can see so much. You can see who invested. For example, Binance Labs. This means they will be listed on Binance, 99% chance. Many great projects, many great investment funds. And you also see the dates, the Twitter metrics, how many Twitter followers these projects have. So this is a very great tool. So that's basically what I want to show you. You can also join my Patreon channel, only $6 a month. I'm posting daily alpha on this basically Patreon channel. So if you want to sign up and check for the recent crypto NFT airdrop alpha, you can follow me or sign up. So yeah, that's basically what I want to share. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.